Hey there, what's up guys? Today I'll be reviewing Thomas Wooden Railway Diesel 10 with the CGI face. I didn't get it in the day of the diesels package. It came with the Bertie at the Diesel Works set. Okay, let's start with the review. Now, these drives are facing this way. And they're also facing this way on this side too. You can still extend his claw. I know you can't lift it all the way up. Now, as you already know, I already have an older version of Diesel 10. I prefer this face more than this one because this one's like smiling in Dave Diesel's. This one, it looks so evil. And the color is different, so it's pinchy of their claws. And yeah. Still has the name. And still has the date. Just like the old Diesel 10 had. And so that's my Thomas Wooden Railway review of the CGI face of Diesel 10. I'll see you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.